I might add one soon. Let's see. Maybe I know something you don't yet. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So we are in Costa Rica at the moment on my honeymoon. And I thought, hey, let me quickly record a little video in terms of what are gonna be the hot bags for 2023. And guys, please excuse the beach hair. I'm just too lazy to do my hair or to put makeup on. You know, it's my honeymoon, I just want to chill and relax. Of course guys, there's gonna be a Costa Rica vlog coming with all the amazing stuff that we did. But first, we're going to talk about the bags that I kind of want for next year, but also I think everybody wants. But first, let's have a look at what I'm currently seeing. It's such a beautiful empty beach. I'm almost here alone and isn't it beautiful? Okay, let's talk about the bags now. Okay, so bag number one, and I cannot believe that I'm actually saying this, but I think one of the hottest bags next year will be the Chanel 22 in the mini size. And guys, I don't know why. I mean, everybody still loves the Chanel 22. Not a lot of people know about the issues, I think, that a lot of us have been facing. And design-wise, I mean, I still love mine, you know, and I'm gonna wear it. I might break apart, but I'm still gonna wear it. Handbags are meant to be carried and loved. That's what I always tell myself and all of you guys. So I really think that the Chanel 22 in the mini size will be a hit. And as soon as it hits the shelves, everybody will be running and trying to get their hands on one, because it is cute, I think. Next up, even though I'm personally not the biggest fan of this bag, I think will be the YSL iCare Maxi bag, because I see so many people loving that bag, buying it, and it is a beautiful aesthetic, no question. I don't know how long we will love this bag, but it's very much hot and in right now. So yeah, I think we're gonna see a lot of people carrying that bag. Next up guys, let's talk more about big bags, because I really do think that big bags will make a big comeback in 2023. And we all know that the MS Birkin 25, the tiny little baby Birkin, was the biggest hype ever, and you have to pay such a premium to actually get your hands on that bag. I think the Birkin 30 and Birkin 35 will make a big comeback. And guys, one thing to consider is, if you buy a Birkin 35 on the pre-loved market right now, they are so well and reasonably priced. So, you know, if you buy one now for a really good deal, and then the big bags will come back, immediately your investment will, you know, climb, will go up. So it's something to consider, I think. Big bags, I think, will be all the hype again. Hey guys, just like I said, excuse my beach hair, it is so windy. Okay, so and next up, I think that Versace, the brand in general, will have a big comeback and will be very much in demand. So if you've been following me, you know that I recently got my little La Medusa top handle bag from Versace, and I love that bag so much. I'm already planning on which one to get next. And we've all seen the runway show where Paris Hilton was actually walking for Versace. They had so many beautiful metallic La Medusa top handle bags. They are stunning, and they come out in so many different variations and styles and materials, tweed, you know, metallics. Oh, it's just like my heart is melting. So I honestly think we're gonna see a lot of people carrying these bags, and Versace bags are so well priced. Like for my beautifully embroidered, you know, bag with all the crystals on top, it was only like £1,500. In terms of the bags that we usually see, when you see embroidered bags with crystals and stuff, they are, I don't know, 5 times as much, you know. So Versace is a little secret. Okay, so Bottega Veneta next. And guys, I love my pouch, I love my chain pouch, but I really want to get a Jodie, and I thought I want to get a mini Jodie. And it's a beautiful bag, but because I do think that big bags will be all the hype again, I've seen this picture and I was like blown away. I love the style, I love the dress, I love the bigger Jodie bag with the whole outfit. I think I definitely will go for a Jodie bag myself. I think they've been in for a long time, but I think the bigger size will be like the hot bag next year. Next up, guys, Valentino. We all know that Valentino has claimed the color pink, well, hot pink, Barbie pink, and they're doing an amazing job. I absolutely love their bags, especially like this pink one with the golden stud at the front, oversized, you know, absolutely love it. But they are coming out with this bag for next year, and I was like blown away when I saw it. I think not a lot of people know about it. I don't want to know how heavy it is, I just know it looks stunning and I want it. So I don't own a Valentino bag yet. Let me know if you own any Valentino, how the quality is, how the wear and tear is, would be great to know. But I do think Valentino will be very much highly in demand as well. So yeah, especially keep an eye on that one. So of course we need to talk about Lanvin as well. You guys know how much I love my Lanvin bags. I got 5 already and there will be many more in my future. So I think Lanvin in general, especially the cat bags, the cat hobo bags and the Lanvin cat box bag, will be so popular and grow more and more in popularity. We've seen it on the new Sex and the City series and just like that. Well, I've been showing you the bags forever and it's just a stunning piece, you know, and I will add more. Let me know. I know some of you have bought the bag already as well after seeing it on my channel. Let me know how much you love your bag. Let me know if you add more, and I think more and more people will wake up and discover brands like Lanvin and Bvlgari. We'll talk about Bvlgari next. Bvlgari, the love of my life. And yeah, so I think they did such an amazing job with all the new designs that are coming out, especially their serpentine pouch. I think will be very much highly in demand. I might add one soon. Let's see. Maybe I know something you don't yet. So I think lots of people will look into Bvlgari. You can't go wrong with any Bvlgari bag. They're all amazing. The quality and the craftsmanship, like they are 24 karat gold plated, guys. That's what Chanel did in the 80s, the 90s. Show me another brand, you know, that still gold plates their hardware. My Bvlgari Mini Serpentine Forever is entirely gold plated, you know, the entire bag. It's crazy. So the quality is great, the prices are great, and the service is outstanding. So I think a lot more people will look into Bvlgari. I think the Bvlgari Serpentine pouch will be a big thing. So let's see if I'm right. Let's talk about Dior next, because you know they recently came out with their Lady Dior micro bag, and now they're even coming out with a micro East-West Lady Dior. You know, I think Dior will go strong. I absolutely love my Lady Diors. I might add more in the future because you can never have really enough, right? So I think the Lady Dior will, you know, be on everybody's radar more and more, no matter if it's the classic style, the East-West style, but yeah. Lady Dior, I put you on the list. Last but not least, let's talk about, well, not one specific bag, just maybe generally a concept, because I think sustainability will still be all the hype, and as it should. And so I'm just gonna say vintage bags are here to stay, and they will be very much in demand, and you can find treasures that you can find nowhere else, you know. So I mean, look at this Chanel jumbo bag. I saw it online, I was like, wow, this is the dream, you know. This really expresses, like, vintage pieces, really we can find whatever expresses us, our style, our personality, and you know, add rare pieces to our collection that nobody else has. So I say vintage will be all the hype. So that was it. This is what I think will be the hot bags for next year. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same, you say it, yes, luxury disease. And yeah guys, I see you again very soon, and please look out for my Costa Rica vlog, because it's gonna be awesome and amazing. And I can only recommend you, if you want to go traveling again, come to Costa Rica. It's such a beautiful country. There's so much to do, you know. You have everything here, from beaches to volcano hikes and rainforest, deep tropical jungle. So such a beautiful country. Look out for my vlog. Okay guys, I see you again very soon. Bye!